It's Pensacola area's best home inspection service. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about roofs. Right here we have a roof that we're inspecting. You can probably see this from the ground, but what we're going to go through is we'll look at the shingles here. They're not in line, and you see where somebody has done a repair on this roof themselves. I'm going to go back up over the back side of this roof, and we find more of the same. We find a bunch of shingles just kind of scabbed in a little bit. I'm not going to step on these things, because on the back side over here we found even more where they scabbed in, and some of these things have shifted a little bit, and where the inspector came up here and stepped on the shingles, it started to slide out from underneath, as you can see where these things are not even attached properly. So, you know, if you look at the overall roof, if you are out looking at houses and you see shingles that have shifted like this, you might want to take into consideration that you're probably going to need to get a new roof or have some roof repairs done. So I hope you find these videos informational, and for all your inspection needs, be sure to call a professional inspection service, 850-916-7669, or find us on the web at a-proinspects.com. Have a great day.